Hey everybody, I just wanted to create a short video to show you how to set up your profile for the Ohio Means Jobs website. Many of you are having some issues with that, so just want to talk through it just briefly with you. So when you go to the Ohio Means Jobs.ohio.gov website, you're going to go for the students. You can also copy and paste this link from the scavenger hunt assignment. It is on there, so you can do that. It'll take you to this page, and you are going to start by setting here, going get started. We're going to scroll down here and you're going to use the register here tab, and you are going to register your email. So register with an email. They suggest not to use your OHVA just because when you graduate, you will not have access to that. But if it helps just for the time being to do that, then go ahead and feel free to do that, and you can change it later. So I'm going to create a password here. Make sure that you have all of the criteria for the password correct and that your passwords match. Then you're going to, just for the sake of security, you are going to just choose any kind of security question that they give you. Least favorite food. Oh, I don't know. I'll just put something in here. All right, and then you're going to retype that. All right, and then you're going to agree to the Ohio Means Jobs terms and conditions so that you are able to complete some assignments and look through some jobs and possible careers. Now, again, where it says optional, please do not feel as if you have to do anything that is optional. But you do need to put your first and last names. You do not have to put any addresses. You do not have to put your zip code. You don't have to put the state, but it's already going to be in there. It'd probably be helpful to put the state, so no big deal there. You can do whatever you want to do here. I'm going to use this one. And then you don't have to do that. And then yes, you're going to click yes, you are a K-12 student. And then you are going to click yes, I am at least 13 years old and I agree to the Ohio Means Jobs terms and conditions. Then you are going to click enrolled because you are a student. Now, with the school name, this is where a lot of us had some issues, but if you type in Ohio Virtual, you just start typing it in, it will give you, should give you that option. The district, it's already got my district there, so I'm just going to leave it. Lucas is the county. Expected graduation date, some of you can just put 2025 in there. And then, do you want to allow your teachers to view your profile? Sure, why not? And then you obviously do not have to put your parents' email. They probably do not want you to do that because they probably don't want to receive a bunch of stuff from Ohio Means Jobs. So you can do that or not do that. And then down here, all of this stuff is optional, optional, optional. So you do not have to put any of that in there. All we're wanting you to do right now is get that account created. So we're going to create that account. Now, it will go up to the login information. And what you want to do is go to my profile, and it should at that moment come up with your username and password in there. If it does not, then just remember that your username was the email that you chose, your password was whatever password you put in there, sign in, and then it might then give you the option to save your password. Once you sign in, then you will see welcome, your name is there, and you should see career cluster inventory, career plans, assessments and trainings, programs I'm interested in. There are so many things here that you can research and that will help you. One other thing I want to talk to you about is to take the guided tour. You do not have to do that, but it will help you through the website. So there you go. There's your career interests. You can explore those. This will just kind of give you a checklist as far as what you have done. Some of this stuff you will need to do for your scavenger hunt assignment, so just keep that in mind. And then you just go back to your home page under your profile and everything should be right there. Please reach out if you have any questions. I hope this helps and takes away any issues that you guys are having with creating your profile.